Best RC planes. Are you looking for the best RC planes? In this video we will look at some of the best RC planes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. E-flite Apprentice STS 1.5M. The E-flite Apprentice STS 1.5M is the ultimate RC plane for beginners and intermediate pilots alike. With a 59-inch wingspan and Horizon Hobby's legendary safe, sensor-assisted flight envelope technology, this aircraft redefines what it means to learn to fly. It's more than a trainer, it's a complete flight system designed to make first-time pilots confident while still offering advanced capabilities as skills grow. Built on the trusted Apprentice S15E platform, the STS integrates modern smart electronics to deliver real-time telemetry directly to your Spectrum transmitter. Voltage, current, motor RPM, and approximate flight time are all visible, giving you professional-level control and awareness. Beginners benefit from progressive safe modes, which act like training wheels, limiting bank angles and automatically leveling the plane when sticks are released. Panic recovery can instantly bring the aircraft back to level, letting pilots experiment without fear. Durable EPO construction with reinforced high-stress areas ensures resilience, while a wide-stance tricycle landing gear simplifies ground handling. Optional Safe Plus GPS adds autopilot features like autoland and virtual fence, usually found on high-end models. Assembly is quick, often under an hour, and pre-installed electronics reduce setup hassle. Whether you're taking your first flight or teaching others, the Apprentice STS provides a safe, confidence-boosting experience with smooth handling and predictable aerobatics. With exceptional build quality, professional telemetry, and scalable flight modes, it's the perfect RC plane to grow with your skills. Ready to fly for $329.99, battery sold separately, it's a smart investment for anyone serious about learning RC flight. Number 2. VOLANTEXRC TrainStar Ascent, Best Value RC Plane. The TrainStar Ascent proves that you don't need a premium budget to enjoy a top-tier RC flying experience. With a 1,400mm, 55-inch wingspan and brushless power, this trainer offers the stability and performance of larger, more expensive planes, while staying affordable. What truly sets it apart is the unibody ABS plastic fuselage, far tougher than foam alternatives, which can withstand crashes that would destroy lesser trainers. Who should buy it? Beginners looking for a durable, capable plane without breaking the bank will find the Ascent ideal. Its crash-resistant design makes it perfect for those expecting a few learning mishaps, while clubs running youth programs will appreciate its long-lasting, low-maintenance construction. Flying the Ascent is a joy. The forgiving flight characteristics, combined with a powerful 4023/1050 kV brushless motor and 48 ESC, allow confident climbs and basic aerobatics. The Quick Connect wing system makes assembly fast and tool-free, so you can be airborne in minutes. The large wingspan ensures predictable, floaty handling, and landings are exceptionally smooth even for first-time pilots. Durable construction combines an ABS fuselage with EPO foam wings, pre-installed servos, and cleanly routed linkages for easy maintenance. While the plastic body adds some weight compared to all foam designs, it dramatically improves crash survivability. Specifications and features. For channel control with ailerons, 1,400mm wingspan, 1,010mm length, 820g flying weight, PNP setup, and 3S LiPo compatibility. At around $180 for PNP, the TrainStar Ascent delivers unbeatable value, proving you can enjoy a large, capable, and long-lasting trainer without spending a fortune. Durable, stable, and easy to fly, it's the perfect plane for learning and growing your RC skills. Number 3. HobbyZone RC Airplane Carbon Cub S2 1.3M. Don't be fooled by its budget-friendly price, the Carbon Cub S2 delivers impressive performance in a compact, scale-accurate airframe. With a 1.3M, 51-inch wingspan, this STOL trainer combines safe technology, optional GPS upgrades, and true bushplane capability. It's a versatile trainer that grows with you, taking pilots from their very first flight to advanced short-field operations and even float-flying adventures. Who should buy it? Beginners seeking scale realism and a plane that evolves with their skills will find the Carbon Cub S2 ideal. It's perfect for pilots who want bush flying fun without buying multiple aircraft. Its combination of advanced features and beginner-friendly flight modes maximizes value per dollar. Flying the Carbon Cub S2 is an experience. Oversized Tundra tires let you take off and land on grass, dirt, or rough terrain with confidence, while the safe system acts as training wheels that gradually fade as skills improve. Functional slotted flaps and optional GPS support add realism and versatility, while the float-ready design opens up water flying possibilities. Key features: safe beginner/intermediate/expert modes, functional flaps, telemetry-capable 30A Smart ESC, optional safe plus GPS, tricycle landing gear with steering, durable Z-foam EPO construction, and scale detailing including pilot figure. At around $300, RTF Basic, battery sold separately, the Carbon Cub S2 offers excellent value for a plane this capable. Its forgiving flight characteristics, rugged build, and versatile performance make it the perfect all-in-one trainer for beginners who want scale realism, confidence, and room to grow. Number 4. VOLANTEXRC F4U Corsair. Who says beginners can't fly Warbirds? The F4U Corsair micro breaks that stereotype with a compact 400mm, 15.7-inch wingspan and a 6-axis pilot stabilization system that makes this traditionally tricky aircraft approachable for first-time pilots. Modern flight technology tames the typical challenges of Warbirds, delivering a smooth and confidence-boosting experience right out of the box. Who should buy it? This plane is perfect for newcomers who want something more exciting than a standard high-wing trainer. Kids, teens, and adults attracted to military aircraft can enjoy the thrill of flying a scale Warbird without the usual steep learning curve. It's ideal for anyone seeking a low-stress, beginner-friendly introduction to aerobatic aircraft. Flying the Micro Corsair is as fun as it looks. The Spilot system prevents tip stalls, snap rolls, and other common Warbird pitfalls, while one-key aerobatics allow beginners to pull off loops and rolls effortlessly. EPP foam construction, a propeller saver, and lightweight design make crashes mostly harmless, turning mistakes into laughs rather than disasters. Key features: Spilot 6-axis gyro stabilization, 3 flight modes, beginner, intermediate, expert, 1-key aerobatics, prop saver design, complete RTF package, 12 to 15-minute flight times, lightweight 60G airframe. At around $110–$120, the F4U Corsair Micro is an affordable, nearly indestructible introduction to Warbirds. Its durable build, forgiving flight characteristics, and impressive aerobatic capability make it a standout choice for first-time pilots eager to experience military aircraft in action. Number 5. E-flite P51D Mustang 1.2M, Best Warbird. The Cripes a Mighty Third P51D Mustang embodies Warbird excellence at the sport scale. With a 48-inch wingspan, operational split flaps, electric retractable landing gear, and the iconic 4-blade propeller, this Mustang delivers an authentic Warbird experience. E-flite's AS3X technology and optional safe select help tame what is traditionally a challenging aircraft, giving pilots confidence without sacrificing scale performance. Who should buy it? This plane is perfect for intermediate to advanced pilots ready for their first full-house Warbird. History enthusiasts will appreciate the scale fidelity, while pilots seeking high-performance sport-scale action will love the blend of precision, power, and authenticity. Flying the Mustang is a thrill. On 3S LiPo, it offers smooth, predictable handling for scale-style flight. On 4S, it transforms into a high-performance machine capable of vertical climbs and aggressive maneuvers. The AS3X system smooths turbulence and stick inputs while retaining that unmistakable Mustang feel. Every detail, from sequenced gear doors to scale exhaust stacks, enhances immersion and realism. Key features: independent split flaps, electric retracts with scale covers, AS3X stabilization with optional safe select, 3S/4S brushless power, Smart 70A ESC with telemetry, scale 4-blade propeller. Constructed from reinforced EPO foam with metal-geared servos, the Mustang combines durability with museum-quality scale detail. Flight rewards careful piloting, gentle flap-assisted landings, smooth cruising, or full-throttle vertical climbs. Though discontinued and limited in availability, the P51D Mustang 1.2M remains a benchmark for sport-scale warbirds, blending authentic looks with exceptional performance for collectors and pilots alike.